Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the July Bellabox. So let's get into it. So very interesting, this box this month is not blue. It is white and like a navy blue and has a plane on it. So I'm assuming it's going to be something travel related, and someone who loves travel, very happy with that. But yeah, it's interesting that Bellabox is like changing around with their boxes. Like they had the purple one in March and the red one in December for Christmas. So yeah, let's jump into this box. I can hear something rolling around in there. So the card says Global Glamour and it has all of the products in it. So the first thing in here is a little perfume sample from MOR. This is that brand that always smells like weird marshmallows. Not something I would particularly wear, like a musky marshmallow scent. But yeah, I guess desperate times will call for desperate measures should I use this. Next is a Manna Kadar product. It is a blush and highlighter, so awesome to see that we got some makeup in this box. Get into this packaging, my god.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
So that is what the product looks like. You can see that there's blush here and highlight here, and then it comes with some sort of maybe bronzer in the middle. I feel like the pan is way too small to be able to dip a brush into those. So I would probably use those for maybe like eyeshadow just because of how small it is. I love the concept, but if it was much bigger, we could get a bigger brush in it, because you're not going to use a tiny little brush for blush and highlight. You're going to use a bigger brush. Like my brush would just dunk the whole lot, which you don't want. So yeah, I would probably just use this for eyeshadows, but it's great to have, especially if you're on the go, but it's too small to be a blush and a highlight. It needs to be bigger in order to be multi-purpose. That's just my opinion. But it's still really pretty. Next, I'm even more excited about this as a makeup product again. It is a NYX concealer palette. So this palette is supposed to be light. However, I feel like this is definitely more of a medium palette. I would probably use this as more of like a contour and like a cream blush or something, but these shades are probably too dark for my skin tone. Maybe that one, but yeah, in terms of concealing blemishes, they're way too dark, even though this is the light palette. So I hope maybe there's a fair one out there I probably should have gotten, but yeah, I'm still gonna find a way to use these, I'm sure. So yeah, 2 makeup products in one box. We are winning, Bellabox. We are winning so far. Next we have a little Avene sachet sample. I'm going to assume this one is the bonus. Yeah, this is just the bonus sachet sample, so yeah, that's alright. Next we got an IV moisture boost from Nerium. So it's like one of those like gel patches. I've tried these before and they're really like cooling in that, but they don't really like help a lot. So it'll be fun to use, but I don't expect to receive a lot of benefits, just a cooling sensation while they're on. But there's no lasting anything. So yeah, they're just hydrogel patches, but that's right, I'll definitely use them. We got another mask. I think we've received a few of these before. But yeah, this is the Glamourflage like face mask. I think it's a sheet mask. But yeah, I'll use it. Like it's just going to go in the pile with all the other ones I have not used yet. So and then lastly, I got a package of Emily Fruit Crisps. Crunchy Fig Banana. They're Australian owned. But yeah, you want to try them? Yeah. I think this is also supposed to be a bonus.
One eternity later.
smells like banana. It's like a little dried yellow circle. I actually like it.
Really, the only word for it is...
Like, it just tastes like a crunchy banana. I like her. I really do. I don't taste fig, but that's because only ingredients is banana and sustainable palm oil, and that's it. So I don't know where fig banana comes from. Maybe it's a type of banana. I don't know. But Emily, you made some fun chips. I liked those. So yeah, that's everything in the box. The first thing, this little perfume sample. Yeah, I think I got the flavour Marshmallow. Full size is $69.95, available at Maya, David Jones or moreboutique.com. Will not be buying this, sorry. It's just not my kind of scent. The bonus sachet, I have no information other than it is Cicalfate hair cream. Either way, you know, it's just a sachet. The Manna Kadar Blossom Floral Blush Compact. It has 3 shades separately blended together for youthful glow or the perfect balance of contour highlight blush. I'm probably just going to pop it in my eyeshadow drawer. But yeah, it's still fun new product to try out, and we've received Manna Kadar before. So yeah. The best product I think in the box, the NYX Conceal Correct Contour Palette. It's $19.95, available at NYX or Priceline. So you could get the shades either light or medium. So I obviously got light, thank God. I don't know what I'd do with medium. It would just be a contour palette. But yeah, I'm excited to test this one out. The eye patch mask. You can get a full size, which is 5 sets of patches for $75 at the website. This is just one. I don't know if it's one patch or one set of patches. Hoping it's a set. But yeah, it'd be nice to try something fancy, but I don't see myself being able to afford to purchase this in the future, but I'm excited to try it for sure. Always love some hydration with my dry skin, as you can see. And the last one, the Glamourflage mask. This is just a sample size, of course. Oh, maybe it's not a sheet mask. Feels like there's a sheet in there though. Yeah, it says unfold the mask on the back. It's definitely a sheet mask. But yeah, I'll add that one to the pile. Yeah, this is everything in the Global Glamour box for July 2018. Let me just say, it's definitely one of the better boxes I've actually had in a while. We not only got 2 makeup products, we got some face masks, and a weird perfume, and some really yummy chips. But at the end of the day, like, I'm sick of receiving cleansers and moisturizers and just crap that I don't ever use. So I'm really excited to actually get some products I'm excited to try for a change. Some makeup products, some face masks, because who doesn't use a face mask, right? But yeah, I'm pretty excited, and these chips are really fucking good. So yeah, surprisingly, I would never be the kind of person who would see banana crunch chips and go, oh yeah, I'm gonna put those in my shopping trolley. But yeah, if I ever see where these are, yeah, you see, you can only get these. Oh, you can get them at Coles. Fuck yeah, I'm getting some more of these bitches. Man, these are fucking good.
I'ma save this one for my girl LaQuisha. Hold up, let me open this for her. Hold up, wait, fuck that bitch. Damn, I dropped it in the water that I shit in.
Go to Coles and get them. They're $4, but still, like, it tastes like banana cake, but like crunchy banana cake in your mouth. Oh, these are so good. But yeah, that's everything in the box, and it concludes this video. So if you like the video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and let me know down below what you thought of what you got in your box. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. See you guys.